Imagine this: the future of cryptocurrency, digital assets, and blockchain technology being discussed right at the heart of American politics, at the White House. That's exactly what's happening right now. The US government has just held a crypto summit at the White House, and this could be the turning point for how digital assets are regulated, adopted, and integrated into our daily lives. But what does this mean for you, as someone invested or interested in the world of crypto? In this video, we're diving into everything you need to know about the White House's Crypto Summit and how it could reshape the future of digital assets. Trust me, you're going to want to pay attention to this one. So, what exactly happened at this groundbreaking summit? The US government brought together key players from the crypto world, leaders in blockchain technology, regulators, industry experts, and even major crypto companies. The goal? To discuss the future of digital assets and figure out how the US can effectively regulate and support the growth of crypto, while also ensuring that security, privacy, and financial stability are maintained. This summit was more than just a meeting of minds. It was an official recognition that cryptocurrencies are here to stay. The government is acknowledging the massive potential digital assets have in reshaping everything from how we store value to how we make payments, invest, and even vote. So, what were the major takeaways from this summit? Well, there were a few key themes that really stood out. One, regulation is coming. One of the biggest talking points was, of course, regulation. The government is committed to creating clear, consistent rules for the crypto industry. And while that may sound like a mixed bag, this could mean more security and clarity for investors, no more guessing about whether your favorite coin will be banned or what the tax implications are. The goal is to create a regulatory framework that fosters innovation, but also protects consumers. 2. CBDCs are a real possibility. Another hot topic was the development of central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. Essentially, these are government-backed digital currencies, and they could become a reality sooner than we think. If implemented, CBDCs would operate similarly to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but would be issued and controlled by central banks. The question is, will these become a replacement for traditional fiat currencies or just a supplement? Either way, this could redefine the way we think about money. 3. Blockchain technology as a national priority. The summit also highlighted that blockchain technology, beyond just cryptocurrency, is seen as a national priority. The US government wants to push forward with innovations in areas like supply chain tracking, healthcare, and even voting systems, all of which could benefit from blockchain's transparency and security. Now, let's talk about how all this impacts you. Whether you're a crypto enthusiast, a longtime investor, or just someone starting to explore digital assets, the White House Crypto Summit could mean some big changes for your future in crypto. 1. Increased legitimacy and trust. With clear regulations on the way, the crypto market could become more mainstream. More traditional investors might feel comfortable jumping into the market, and more businesses could start accepting cryptocurrencies as payment. Essentially, this could lead to greater legitimacy for digital assets. Think of it like how the internet went from being a niche technology to something that powers the global economy. The same could happen with crypto, especially as regulations provide the security and structure that people need to feel safe. 2. Potential for growth in digital assets. As the government shows more interest in crypto, it could open the door for increased adoption of digital assets across the country and even the world. We could see new projects and technologies emerge, possibly pushing the value of established cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum even higher. It might also mean more utility for crypto, more ways for you to use your digital assets in everyday life, from online purchases to decentralized finance (DeFi) opportunities. 3. A new era of innovation. The government's recognition of blockchain as a national priority signals that we might see more innovations in crypto industries, especially when it comes to things like decentralized apps, DApps, NFTs, and digital identity. For you, this could translate into new investment opportunities, as well as new ways to interact with the digital world. But of course, with all the potential benefits, there are also risks. One major concern is government control. While regulations can protect consumers, they could also limit the decentralized nature of crypto, which many investors and users find attractive. Will the US government's involvement in crypto stifle innovation or create unnecessary red tape? There's also the question of security. Crypto hacking incidents are not uncommon, and with increased government involvement, there may be concerns about privacy and surveillance. How do you balance national security with individual freedoms in the world of digital assets? Lastly, let's not forget the volatility. We all know that crypto prices can fluctuate wildly, and even with clearer regulations, the market could still experience extreme ups and downs. The key here is understanding the risks and knowing how to invest wisely. The big question now is, what does the future hold? With the White House's focus on crypto, this could be the beginning of a new era for digital assets in the US and globally. We could see a more stable and secure crypto market, increased use of blockchain technology, and new opportunities for innovation. But it's also possible that regulations could come with some restrictions, changing how we think about decentralized finance. One thing's for sure, the landscape of digital assets is evolving fast, and it's up to you to stay informed and adapt to these changes. So, what do you think about the White House's Crypto Summit? Are you excited about the future of digital assets and the potential for more regulations? Or do you have concerns about the direction it's all heading? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're serious about staying ahead of the curve in the world of crypto, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more insights into everything crypto, blockchain, and digital finance.